Hello students, welcome to my channel Anandsir-online.com. I teach mathematics to SAT, GRE and GMAT students. Today my topic is Factor Theorem from SAT. Let us start. First of all, let us consider a polynomial, say Px, say x square minus 2x plus 1, which is to be divided by x minus 1. Now, in this case, if I divide it by x minus 1, what I will get, this I am doing the long division. I will first of all multiply it by x, I get x square minus x. I get the balance at minus x plus 1, then I multiply it by minus 1, minus x plus 1, it means the remainder becomes 0. So factor theorem states that when remainder is 0, we say that x minus 1 is a factor of px. If remainder comes out to be 0, we say that x minus 1 is a factor of px. So my dear students, if you have gone through my first video before this, that is the remainder theorem, you might be knowing that how to find the remainder. If not, let us revisit that topic and then we will go with factor theorem. So remainder theorem stated that if px is divided by x minus a, then remainder is pa. And factor theorem states that if remainder, that is pa, equals to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. See, if I write px in this form, x minus a into qx plus r, where qx is the quotient and r is the remainder, and if r becomes 0, then what happens? Then px is simply x minus a times of qx. Clearly it is a factor of px, right? So this is all about your factor theorem. Let us move to the questions now. We have 4 questions in this. The first question, if x minus 3 is a factor of x cubed minus 4x plus k, what is the value of the constant k? See, if x minus 3 is a factor, it means that the remainder will be equal to 0. That is 3 cubed minus 4 into 3 plus k equals to 0. It means 27 minus 12 plus k equal to 0. So 15 plus k equals to 0 implies k is equal to minus 15. So the correct answer is option number A. Now, my dear students, here at this point you can pause the video, attempt all the questions and then go through my solutions. Okay, this is an advice to you so that you can make the best use of my channel. Next question, if a polynomial px equals to x square plus kx minus 8 has a factor of x minus 2, what is the value of k? Since it's x minus 2 is a factor, it means that the remainder p2 should be equal to 0. It means 2 square plus k times 2 minus 8 comes out to be 0. It means 4 plus 2k minus 8 equals to 0. That is 2k minus 4 equal to 0. Simply means k equals to 2. Let us move to question number 3. What is the value of k if the given polynomial is divisible by x plus 1? It is divisible. Again the same thing. When it is divisible, it means x plus 1 is a factor, or you can say that the remainder is 0, that is p minus 1 equal to 0. it implies minus 1 cube minus 5 times of minus 1 square minus of minus 1 plus k equal to 0. It implies minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. It means k is equal to 5. Next question, what is the value of a when gx equals to this is divisible by this? Now it is divisible by both x minus 1 and x minus 2. It means g1 is also equal to 0 and g2 is also equal to 0. So when I take g1 as 0, what I will get? I will get 1 plus a plus b equal to 0. It means a plus b equals to minus 1. When I put g2 equals to 0, it means 2 cube, that is 8, plus 2a plus b equal to 0. It implies 2a plus b equals to minus 8. Now I will simply solve these two to find the value of a. Now here 2a plus b is equal to minus 8, a plus b is equal to minus 1. I simply subtract it. So b and minus b cancels out. 2a minus a equals to a. Minus 8 plus 1 will be minus 7. So the correct answer is minus 7. So my dear students, I hope you have understood this concept of factor theorem. It's a very important topic. One question is certain in the SAT exam. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Do like, share and subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.